It can be confusing knowing what kind of RC car to buy because of the muddled descriptions. Sellers seem to cram everything into the titles just so that you can find them in the search. It's a sneaky tactic. The 5 short, easy-to-read reviews on this page look at some RC off-road Jeeps in all price categories. Jeeps have always fascinated people. Perhaps it's because they're not mainstream vehicles as seen on the roads every day. Farmers and the military favor sturdy 4-wheel drive, 4-wheels drive vehicles for practical purposes. Well, they've had a makeover in recent times and are now becoming more mainstream. The Jeep Rubicon and Jeep Wrangler are now 2 of the most high-profile models. Hello my friends. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I recommend 5 best RC Jeep car 2022. Before you start, subscribe to the channel and press the like button to be up to date with all the news. Let's begin. Number 5 in our top is from the Golar C brand. 2.4 GHz radio system with anti-jamming capability allows us to race at the same time on the same track. The control distance is up to 30 meters. Full real car control feeling, remote control, to achieve high-speed driving, deceleration, braking. The independent front and rear axles have a smooth cornering and stable body posture. Adopt metal shock absorber performance can adapt to multi-clock terrain. It is easy to adapt to rough terrains such as beaches, snow, grass, mountain road, and rock road. With anti-collision and anti-drop function, you can go out to play with your child, stimulate the child's playful nature, and give the child the best company. We continue with the number 4 that is part of the Geoshield brand. This remote control truck is equipped with high-quality RC 390 motor, which provide great power for the RC car. This is a great boost to the acceleration performance, making the RC car's top speed more than 40 km per hour, which is more competitive in racing/playing and gives you an excellent driving experience. This RC car is equipped with 4WD shock spring absorber independent suspension system. The metal spring shock absorber is independently adjustable, which can ensure it has a strong anti-collision ability and a shock-proof body. Whether it is flying on a wide field or crashing and rolling on narrow terrain, the car can run smoothly and the body will not be damaged. This monster truck is equipped with 2.4 GHz full-size synchronized remote control system. This RC car can have proportional throttle control by speed switch and proportional steering control by steering trim and steering reverse switch. The whole chassis of the RC truck is made of high-quality nylon, which has many properties, such as elasticity, insulation, etc., giving support to unexpected dropping and the unstable surface of the ground. What's more, the body with high chassis can go over all obstacles. The electric outdoor remote control cars easily pass through sand, grass, roads, rocky areas, and other terrains. Number 3 in our top is from the Golar C brand. 4-wheels drive system, independent suspension system, solid axle, durable car chassis. All these properties give the truck a better ability to reduce the impact caused by collisions that help to prolong its life cycle. The RC truck is equipped with realistic and dedicated details like an openable trunk, openable car doors, spare tire, wiper, wing mirrors, creating an impressive driving experience. The anti-interference 2.4G remote controller gives it an excellent driving within 50 m and allows several cars to race at the same time on the same track. Flexible shock absorption springs. With great elasticity, the suspension spring can prevent damages caused by the vibration whilst driving. The car is equipped with a powerful motor that offers strong power and stable driving, making it easier for the operator to control. The speed is up to 30 km per hour and it is equipped with a 7.4V 500 mAh battery, which lasts longer and is more durable. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Number 2 in our top is from the Thin Air Brands brand. The realistic Jeep Wrangler is ready to roll. Fast action includes start, stop, left, right, forward, reverse, tricks, and more. All in a compact size fit for indoor or outdoor play. Made of the highest quality, crash-resistant materials and designed in our state-of-the-art research facility. A zippy 2.4 GHz control frequency to get dependable connection and long-distance transmission up to 50 feet away. Top-of-the-line ABS plastic body with flexible shock absorption suspension makes for rugged durability and hours of fun. Great for outdoor or indoor use. Races up to 8 miles per hour and lasts up to 20 minutes on a single quick charge. The number 1 product is part of the EAZYRC brand. True, full-time 4-wheel drive, the RTR remote control truck can gain strong power and a marvelous protection from collisions and a great increase on minimum safe dropping altitude. The tough all-season rubber tires help to conquer all terrains easily and grip the land strongly, which ensure a smooth running experience. The 2.4G frequency provides a quick responsive control, allow you to race alongside with other vehicles without any interference. With high torque steering servo, 0-50 brushed motor and 2-in-1 EAZYRC receiver. The remote control car equipped with 7.4V 2S LiPo 380 mAh high-quality rechargeable battery and 8.4V USB charger. You can enjoy the fun of driving for about 30 minutes a time, which depends on the operation. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you soon. Bye.